Good afternoon, everyone. This is Romona coming to you from Social Media How To's with Ramona. I've shared with you a number of videos on web design, how to create websites, how to download WordPress themes, how to connect domain names to websites. But in today's video, I'm going to show you a website rebrand that I did for a client. So I've been creating websites since 1999. That's about 23 years. But I've never actually shared a before and after of a website redesign that I've done for a client. What you see on the screen now is the website before I rebranded it. Old website homepage, new website homepage. New website about page. The old website about page is non-existent. The old website service page is not intuitive because it's not named services. And this is what it looks like. The new website services page. The new website's blog. The old website's blog is non-existent. The new website contact me page. The old website contact me page. Now, as you can see on this website's navigation, it's missing a number of things. For one thing, the About page is missing, which is a necessity. The Services page is missing. There's no place for anyone to actually make an appointment. The navigation is not necessarily intuitive to a customer. And when we scroll down on the home page on the old site, you see the privacy policy is listed as a block of text. There is no actual privacy page. Let's go to the new website to see some of the things that are missing on this site. As you can see on the new website, on the top banner, people can immediately tell where this business is located, that they're fully COVID-19 vaccinated. It has a link for them to make an appointment, to call them, and then there's a link to the WordPress homepage. What's missing are her social media icons because her social media is not completed yet. Next, the customers will be able to see what her phone number is immediately and what her hours are. There's a button here to schedule an appointment, and if you move your mouse over a few of the other navigation links, you'll see there's a way to make appointments here. There's an FAQ page. You can also click on the page to see her reviews. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you'll see the About Your Privacy block of text. However, you'll notice there's also a link to click to go to an actual privacy page with more details. Another thing that is missing on the old website is a cookie bar. So by law, you now need to include this on your website. Now there are still a few minor changes that I need to make on this website, which includes, as I explained earlier, adding social media icons and a few other details that I need to correct on this website. So that's it. I just wanted to share with you what the before and after of a website that I've actually created looks like. And if you have any questions, be sure to drop them in the comments. If you need help creating your own WordPress website, I will drop the link to my YouTube playlist on how to create a website. This is Romona from Social Media How To's with Ramona. As always, I want to thank you for hanging in there with me. And with that, I want to say have an amazing day.